Good morning. It is Sunday and we have the biggest promotion. Go up to our services, click on buy now, pay later. Here you have all the content. Earning season is starting. You can get fully invested for very cheap with no credit, no account, none of the regulatory process. You save on capital gains tax, no more capital gains tax. You could make 15, 20 grand on buy now, pay later, and you pay later when they are profitable. Once again, we encourage you to get signed up for the earning season. Buy now, pay later. We have earning season. You can make more money than you've ever made in your life. All you have to do is click on the link here or go up to services and click on services. It's got the full requirement. You have the chance to be fully invested. You have the chance to gain profits. You have the chance to fill out the email. You have the chance. You can pick any one. We have hundreds and hundreds in buy now, pay later. We're the only service on the internet that offers that program. You don't have a right to be choosy with this program. The only right you have is to lose the money and not make the money because you don't take action now.